in this unit we have this is the third unit syllabus ma. We are having this is the third unit syllabus. Already we complete the reassignment, updating variables, while statement, break, square roots, algorithms ma. Here in this class the topic is string is a sequence. What is meant by string? Here string is a sequence of characters. String is a sequence of characters. Here we can access the characters one at a time with the bracket operator. Here we can access these characters one at a time with the bracket operator. Here we are using this is the bracket operator ma. Here for example we take fruit. Here fruit equal to banana. Here fruit equal to banana. Here we take this is the banana is a string. Here string means you have to write the string in double quotes or single quotes ma. Here a letter equal to fruit of 1. Here letter equal to fruit of 1. Here in this second statement it selects the character number 1 from fruit. Means in this fruit we are having B-A-N-A-N-A banana here. Here in this second statement you have to select the character number 1. Character number 1 means 0 means the index is starting with 0 means 0 means here B, 1 means A, 1 means A, 2 means N, 2 means N, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the length is here, the length of the fruit is here 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here we take the in this index we have to store from up from 0, 0, F0, F1 like that. Here the second statement here selects the character number 1 from fruit. In this fruit store banana is stored here and assigns it to letter. Letter. In this letter we have to fruit of 1. In this fruit we have banana. Here the expression in this the expression in brackets is called an index. This is called an index, square bracket. This is the square bracket. Square bracket is called, the expression in brackets is called an index. Here the index indicates which character in the sequence we want here. Here the index indicates which character in the sequence we want. Hence here the name, in the name banana, B-A-N-A-N-A banana. Here in that banana here we have print. What is the output here? Print letter. Print letter. You have to print that letter. Means in that letter we have fruit of 1. We have fruit of 1 means we get the A. Means fruit of 1 means 1. We give the character number 1 here. 0, 1. 1 means here A. We have to print the letter A. This is the output of this. Next. Next here the first letter of banana is B. The first letter of banana is B. In this banana here fruit of 0 means we get the letter B. Here fruit of 1 equal to A. Here fruit of 2 equal to N. Fruit of 3 equal to A. Here fruit of 4 equal to N. Here fruit of 5 equal to A. Here the index it is an offset from the beginning of this string. Here the offset of the first letter is 0. The offset of the first letter is 0. Here letter equal to fruit of 0. Letter equal to fruit of 0. Here we get the print letter. Print letter. In this letter B. Fruit of 0 equal to B. Here so here B is the 0th letter of banana. Next nth letter is A. Next nth letter is N, and N is the 2th letter, second letter. 0, 1, 2 like this. Here we can use any expression including the variables and operators in that index here, but the value of that index we get letter equal to fruit of 1.5. Here in this, for example, we have to give like this, letter equal to fruit of 1.5. Here we get the type error. We get the type error. Why it is why it get the type error means here string indices must be integers only. String indices must be integers only, not float. String indices must be integers only, not float. That is the point ma. Next, here what is meant by the indexing? Here what is meant by indexing? Here in this indexing, individual characters in a string is accessed by using the subscript, that is called an operator here. Here individual characters in a string are accessed using the subscript operator. The expression in bracket is called an index. Here in this, what is meant by indexing means here individual characters in a string are accessed using the subscript. This is called subscript operator. This is called subscript operator. Here the expression in brackets is called an index. The expression in brackets is called an index. Here the index specifies a member of an ordered set. Member of an ordered set, and in this case it specifies the character we want to access from the given set of characters in the string. Here this index it specifies the member of an ordered set, and in this case it specifies the character we want to access from the given set of characters in the string. Next one is the how we traverse a string. How we traversing a string. Next, here a string can be traversed by accessing characters from one index to others. Here a string can be traversed by accessing characters from one index to another. One index to another means traversing means accessing characters from one index to another means to traverse from starting to ending. Next, here this is the example to traverse a string from the first character to the last. Here first we give the example message. In that message equal to hello. Here message equal to hello, in that index equal to 0. Starting we take the index equal to 0. Here for I in message, we take the I in message means here I for loop I means starting 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Here starting index is we take 0. Print message of index. Equal to I. Print message of index equal to I. Here index equal to index plus 1. Here index equal to index plus 1 means you have to increment the index here. Here message equal to hello. 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 Index equal to 0. Here index equal to 0. For I in message, you have to print the message of index equal to I. Here you have to increment that index value. What is the output of this program means? First, initially index equal to 0. Likewise here message of 0. Here 0. Message of 0 means in that H. Message of 0 is H. Next message of 1 means E. Next message of 2 is L. Next message of 3 is L. Next message of 4 equal to 0. Next hello. 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 Next, message of 5 equal to exclamatory mark. Means in this message of 0, message of 1 means you have to increment. Here index value is incremented like that. Here message of index value is 0 equal to I. In that I value stored here H. Get the H here. Message of 0 equal to H. Message of 1 equal to E. Message of 2 equal to L. Next, have to increment the value. This is the have to increment the index value here. Starting index equal to 0. Next, this is the likewise we have to traverse the string from first character to the last. That is called the traversal string. Here the program uses the indexing to traverse the string from first character to the last. Next. Next another example is here program to demonstrate an expression used as an index of a string. Here for example we take here str equal to hello welcome to the world of Python. Here hello welcome to the world of Python. We give the string is hello welcome to the world of Python here. Here I equal to 2. I gave I equal to 2. Here print str of I. Here print str of I. Here index is an integer. Here index is an integer. Here starting it takes the initially the index is starting it takes the 0 1 2 3 4 space also take here 5, next 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Here 36 characters here. Here print str of y. Str of I here. Starting here I equal to 2. We gave the I equal to 2. Actually 0 H0 1 2 means the index here. Index is an integer here. Index is this is square bracket. Square bracket is here integer here. Here 1. Here I. So I equal to 2. 0 1 2 means L. This is the output is L. Next, here index is an expression. It evaluates an integer. Means here I gave here this is like expression that index I star 3 plus 1. I star 3 plus 1 means how we get here I 2 star 3 6 plus 1 7 6 plus 1 7 means 7 str of 7 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 means we get the value is W. At the integer this W means likewise we have to demonstrate an expression by using the index of a string like this is the example. Next this is the evaluation of the expression in an index of an integer. Next next topic in the strings means len. Len. Len means here already we built in function in the string. Here len is an built-in function that it returns the number of characters in a string. That is called a len. Means length of the string. It take the length of the string. Here fruit equal to banana. Here fruit equal to I gave fruit equal to banana. Length of the fruit means you have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6. The output is 6. You have to count the number of characters in a string. This is called the here length. It is a built-in function. Here next to get the for example to get the last letter of a string, to get the last letter of a string. Here length equal to len of fruit. Here length equal to len of fruit. Here last equal to fruit of length. Last equal to fruit of length. Means this is called the index error. We got the index error. Means string index out of range here. String index out of range here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means we get the len. We get the len means here we get the 6. Get the 6th. The last here the length of the string is 6 here. Length equal to len of fruit equal to 6 here. Here but last equal to fruit of length. Fruit of length means fruit of 6. We get the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is the out of range here. That is the index error here. This is the index error. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It takes the index value 5 only. Here but here we get the length equal to 6. That's why we get the index error. Means string index out of range. String index out of range. Next, here the reason for the index error is that there is no letter in banana with the index 6. Here there is no letter in banana with the index 6. We have only index 5 only. We get the letter. We have the letters. Here since we started counting at 0, the 6 letters are numbered 0 to 5, but length is 6. Length is 6. Here to get the, we have to get the last character of that length. We have to use like this. Last equal to fruit of length minus 1. Last equal to length fruit of length minus 1. Means here length equal to last equal to fruit of length minus 1. 6 minus 1 means we have to get the fruit of 5. Fruit of 5 means here we got the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last character is A. Last character is A. Next, alternatively, we can use the negative indices also. We can use the negative indices also. Here we have to count the backward from the end of this string. Here we count the backward from the end of the string. End of the string means here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Likewise, here the expression fruit minus 1, it yields the last character means A. Fruit of minus 2, it yields the character is N. Next, so on. The second to the last means it look like this. The expression fruit of minus 1 yields to A. Next, minus 2 N. Next, second to the last, and so on, like this. You can use negative indices also. Here next topic is the traversal with a for loop. Here already we know about the for loop. Here a lot of computations have to involve a processing a string one character at a time. Here a lot of computations involve processing a string one character at a time. Here they start at the beginning, select each character in turn until the end. Here you have to start with the beginning, means here you have to select the each character, continue until the end. This pattern of processing, this process of pattern is called a traversal. Here one way you have to write a traversal is while loop. Here here this loop traverses this string and displays the each letter on a line by itself. Here this loop traverses the string and displays the each letter on a line by itself. Here the loop condition is index. Here the loop condition is index less than len of fruit. Here the loop condition is index less than len of root. Here, so when index is equal to, so when index is equal to the length of the string, so when index is equal to the length of the string, here on the time the condition is false. Here on the time the body of the loop is not executed. Here and the body of the loop is not executed. Here the last character accessed is the one with the index length is fruit minus 1. You have to access the last character. On the time we use the length minus 1. Length minus 1. That is the last character in the string. Next, this is the example traversing the use for loop here. In this, for example, we take index equal to 0. We take the index equal to 0 while index less than length of fruit. While index less than length of fruit. Here already we know about length of fruit. We get the 6. Get the 6 here. Take fruit equal to banana. For example, we take fruit equal to mango. Mango means we are having 5 characters. Means index less than 5. Index less than 5 means starting 0 less than 5. Condition false. Condition false. That's why we go to the letter index equal to fruit of. Here condition 0 index equal to 0 na. 0 less than here length of fruit mango 0 less than 5. Condition false or true? False. So that's why here this loop traverses the string and displays each character on a line by itself. Here we got here this condition false na. We go for like this, letter index equal to index plus 1 means 1. Index equal to 1 less than, false. Next 2 plus 1 3. Likewise you have to traverse like that. Here the loop condition is index less than length of fruit. Here when index is equal to length of this string, the condition is false. The body of the loop is not executed. That's why the last character accessed is the 1 with the index length is fruit minus 1. The index length fruit minus 1. It is the last character in the string. Last character in the string. That is the traversing the, you are using the for loop or traversing the while loop or traversing the loops. Next here next another example we take the here how to use the concatenation. Concatenation means how to add the two strings. How to add the two strings. Here for loop, here for loop to generate and this series abecedarian series, that is means in alphabetical order. Abecedarian series means A B E C E D A R I A N. Abecedarian series means it is in alphabetical order. It is in alphabetical order. Here for example the names of the, for example we take the examples of the ducklings. Example the names of the duckling: Jack, Cack, Lack, Mac, Knack, Quack, Pack, Quack. These are the some of the examples of the ducklings names 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 here. This loop outputs like this in the order, means how to the for loop to generate the abecedarian series, means alphabetical order. Alphabetical, we get the alphabetical order. This example shows the how to use the concatenation. How to use the concatenation in the for loop to generate an abecedarian series, means alphabetical order. Next here this is the example prefixes equal to J, K, L, Jack, Cack, Lack, Mac, Knack, O, P, Q, like this here. Walk, pack, quack here. I take prefixes, only prefixes. In these prefixes we have J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q here. Suffix, prefix means starting letter. Suffix means remaining without exclude prefix after the suffix. Suffix means remaining part. Suffix means remaining part. Here prefix J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. In the take that string ma. Here suffix equal to ACK. ACK common for all the names here. Here for example you take for letter in prefixes. For letter in prefixes here. For letter means 0. 0 means I got the J in prefixes J. Next we get the print letter plus suffix. Letter plus suffix. In that letter we have first J. J plus suffix. Suffix we have ACK. Output is Jack. Next letter increment letter na letter in prefix. Next K. K plus suffix CAC. KCK. Likewise you have to traversing the for loop and you have to generate the you have to concatenate these two strings like this. Here prefix we take the example prefix and suffix. Prefix means starting letter, suffix means remaining part of that string for letter in prefixes. Likewise next topic is the string slices. Next topic is the string slices ma. Here in this slices a substring of this string is called a slice. Here a substring of this string is called a slice. Here the slice operation it is used to refer to subparts of sequence and strings. Here a substring of a string in that string whole string, in that string we have substring. That string is called a slice. That is called a slice. Here the slice operation is used to refer to subparts of sequence and strings. General example we take bread. In that bread, whole bread, we have some slices. That is a general example of this slice here. In that whole string we have substring, that is called a slice. General example is bread. In that bread we have slices. Whole in that sub slices is called a string here. Likewise here the slice operation is used to refer to subparts of the sequences and strings here. Here we can take subset of a string from the original string by using this operator. Means here it is called the square bracket operator. It is also known as slicing operator. Here we can take subset of a string from the original string by using the square bracket operator. It is also known as slicing operator. Here next this is the syntax ma. Slice operation is S of start colon end. S of start colon end. Here where start specifies the beginning index of the substring. Here start specifies the beginning index of the substring and end specifies the n minus 1. End minus 1 is the index of the last character. Here start specifies the beginning index of the substring and n minus 1 is the index of the last character. Next. For example, we take here this the example. It demonstrates slice operation on string objects. Here we gave the string equal to str equal to Python python Python. Here have to print str of 1. You get the operator. You have to slice the string by using which operator? Colon operator. It's called the colon operator here. Print of str of 1:5. 1 colon 5. Here we have to the character starts at index 1. You have to extend up to 5 but not including index 5. Means what is the meaning? Means you have to slice. This is the string python, but in this string you have to slice this string this string. Means print str of 1:1:5 equal to str of 1 1:5 and colon 5. Here the characters starting at index 1 and extending up to 5 but not including index 5, but not including 5 means 1 to 4 we get. Means here output str of 1:5 equal to likewise here 0 1 2 3 4 5 likewise here. Here starting we get the 1:1:5 means starting letter 1 means 0 1 means y. Next 2 3 4 means up to what is the meaning of this? Means the character starting at index 1 and extending up to but not including index 5, not including index 5 means here YTHO. The output of this this slice operation str equal to PYTHON. Here str I gave str of 1:1:5 and column YTHO like that. Here next print str of colon 6 means it is the default. The string of this string output is default. It takes the default whole string. Take the default whole string means colon 6 means here it we didn't mention starting string here. That's why it takes the a default to the string of this output like this PYTHON 0 1 2 3 4 5. Whole string will be printed here. Whole string will be printed here PYTHON. Next another example. This next print str of 1:1 means here in this statement we give the defaults the end of string. It is not mentioned end of this string here. That's why starting is 1 means I gave YTHON like it is the output for that above statement. Here next example is print str of colon means here I didn't mention starting and ending but I gave slice. That's why defaults to the entire string str of colon equal to PYTHON. Here next example is next print of str 1:20 str of 1:20. Here index that is too big. The index is too big but length of the string is only 6 here, but here that too big is truncated. The index that is too big down to the length of the string. Next here output of that statement here str of 1:20 means we got the length of the string is too big. Length of the string is 6 but I gave here 20. The index of this length is too big. Here the output is how many? Y starting is 1:20. You don't have that much of string here. YTHON. The output is YTHON. Here next what is the next point? The important point is Python does not have any separate data type for characters. They are represented as single character string only. Here Python does not have any separate data type of characters. They are represented as single character string. Here next point is Python uses negative numbers to access the characters at the end of the string. Here negative index numbers, it count back from the end of the string. Next for example, you take here if we omit or we have to remove the first index means before the colon, The slice starts at the beginning of the string and you have to omit the second index. The slice goes to the end of the string. Here I gave the example here, fruit equal to banana, B-A-N-A-N-A. Here I gave the fruit colon 3. Fruit colon 3 means we omit the first index here. Omit the first index. Omit the first index before colon. Before colon means I gave the 3. Means starting 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. First colon here. First starting letter here. Starting first index is before the colon here. For the fruit equal to banana, fruit equal to colon 3. Fruit equal to colon 3. Here we omit the first index. Omit the first index. That's why here first index, omit the first index means 0, 1, 2. ban, ban. The print value is ban. At the beginning of the string only printed. The beginning of the string only printed here. Means the how means here we omit the first index here. Omit the first index. That's why defaults first at the beginning of the string only printed. Here next example is fruit 3 colon. Fruit 3 colon means here we omit the second index. We omit the second index. This slice goes to the end of the string. Here this slice goes to the end of the string means A-N-A. A-N-A. This slice goes to the end of the string. If you omit the second index, this slice goes to the end of the string. Means here A-N-A. A-N-A. Next. Here for example, if the first index is greater than or equal to the second, the result is an empty string. That is represented by 2 quotation marks here. Here we give the fruit equal to banana. Here first index is greater than or equal to second. The result is an empty string. We get the result is empty string. Here it is represented by the single quotation marks. For example, take fruit equal to banana. Fruit equal to 3 colon 3. 3 colon 3 means same, means full. Got the banana. An empty string contains no characters and length is 0. It is the same as the other string. It has the same as the other string. Here next, that is the topic is strings are slices. Strings are slices. Next. Next topic is strings are immutable. Next topic is strings are immutable. Here immutable means immutable. The Python strings are immutable. Here immutable means that means you have to new, which means that once created they cannot be changed. Once created you have to create once, cannot be changed. That is called here immutable. That is called immutable. Here we try to modify an existing string variable. The new string is created. Means here we try to modify an existing string variable. A new string is created. Here every object in Python is stored in memory. Here we can find out whether 2 variables are referring to the same object. Same object. Here that is by using the ID here. By using the ID here. Here this ID returns the memory address of the address of that object. Memory address of that object. Here we take these both string 1 and string 2 points to the same memory location and they both point to the same object. They both point to the same object. Next.